What determines the color of various stars? This is a question that's been in the mind of many individuals ever since we've looked up at the sky on many beautiful dark nights. However, the actual correlation is pretty simple. The greater the surface temperature directly influences what the color is going to be, with the higher end of the spectrum being blue, the middle of the spectrum being white, and the lowest end of the spectrum being red. So if you have something around a surface temperature of 1000 to 2000 Kelvin, it's generally going to be bright red, similar to our sun, which is slightly above this mark. Now if you take the brightest star, which we can actually observe from our point of view, which is Sirius, it's around the middle of the spectrum with around 10,000 Kelvin being white. Now if you take other stars with 40,000 Kelvin, you can actually see it being blue. And this is actually a correlation known as Wien's law, which is negative 2.5 log the second flux over the first flux. So basically we use filters to see ultraviolet, visible, and blue light, and we can determine the color from this. If you learned something new, then subscribe